everybody, welcome to my first practice problem walkthrough video. In this episode, I will go over practice problems 1 through 4 from my logarithms video. Let's get started. Problem number 1 stated the log base x of 9 equals 2. So for this one, we're going to use the base, answer, and power method, or BAP. So this is the base, this is the answer, and this is the power. So if you raise the base to the power, you get the answer. So x is the base, so we write the x down here. 2 is the power, so we write 2 in here, then we set it equal to 9 is the answer. So we put 9 here. Okay, just going to move this up here for a moment. So how do we solve this equation? Well, you solve it by finding the square root of both sides. The square root of x squared equals the positive or negative square root of 9. So that just leaves x. And then we have the positive or negative square root of 9. What's the square root of 9? Well, the square root of 9 is 3, because 3 times 3 equals 9. So those are your two answers to problem number 1. X equals negative 3, or x equals positive 3. Now on to question 2. So, question number 2 stated the log base x of 512 equals 3. For this, we're going to use the same base, answer, and power method and BAP it. So this is the base, this is the answer, and this is the power. So if you raise the base to the power, you get the answer. So the base is x, as you see up here. The power is 3, as you see up here. And the answer is 512, as you see up here. Now, how do we solve this equation? Well, in the last one, we found the square root of both sides because there was a 2 up here. But now there's a 3, so we need to find the cube root, or the third root, of both sides of the equation if we're going to undo the cube term on this x. You might ask why I didn't put a positive or negative in front of this term. Well, that's really an answer for another video, but suffice it to say that this is an odd number. And for odd number roots, you don't have to put positive or negatives in front of it. For even number roots, you do have to put positive or negative in front of it. So, the cube root of x cubed is just x. And the cube root of 512 is 8, because 8 to the third power equals 512. So this is our answer to problem number 2. Now on to problem number 3. So problem number 3 states that the log base 5 of x equals 4. So remember that this is just the exponent you have to raise 5 to get x. So that means that 4 is the exponent you have to raise 5 to get x. So for this one, we're going to again use the BAP method, or the base, answer, and power method. This is the base, this is the answer, and this is the power. If you raise the base to the power, you get the answer. So the base is 5, the power is 4, and the answer is x, as you see up here. So this one actually winds up being pretty easy, because 5 to the 4th power is just 625. So x equals 625, and that's the answer to problem number 3. Now on to problem number 4. Problem number 4 states that the log base 7 of x is equal to 2. So 2 is the exponent you have to raise 7 to get x. So again, we're going to use the base, answer, and power method. 7 is the base, x is the answer, and 2 is the power. If you raise the base to the power, you get the answer. So 7 is the base, as you see up here, 2 is the power, as you see up here, and x is the answer, as you see up here again. What's 7 squared? 49. So x equals 49 is our answer to problem number 4. In the next episode, I will go over practice problems 5 through 8. I hope this helped. Please leave any questions in the comments section. Remember to subscribe and follow me on Facebook and Twitter. And remember, you can be good at math. Bye!